Hi, my name is David Chen, the founder and CEO of Qubit Technology. Qubit is a technologically innovative company that design and produce smart devices. Our specialty are in ARM platform. We are early ARM developers and are at the forefront of its industry. We have garnered decades of experience and know-how. We are confident to say that there are many, if any, that are better than us in this game. Qubit has fully capability to provide our customers with complete service, from consultation to design, development to manufacturing for solutions applied in a wide spectrum of applications. It includes just about anything that requires embedded computing power. So, in regards to the topic, what's smart corporate building and what are its benefits? For the past decade, human behaviors have been drastically changed after the rise of smartphones. Putting high-performance mini-computers into the hands of millions with high-speed internet, people are no longer going about their day like back in the 90s. We crave the need of having everything under our control. Since we have the means to be connected, allowing us to work smarter, why shouldn't our corporate building be smarter too? This could change the way we work and the way we work when it comes to a corporate sense. So, with the help of Qubit's smart ARM technology, we have basically digitized the physical infrastructure of a building by enabling every function of a building to be digitally controlled and connected to a central mainframe on the cloud. We now have a smart building in which specific function of a building can be managed, control and schedule days ahead, months ahead if I wanted to, all through the symphony of our software and hardware. Some examples, like visitor management. I could be using my smartphone, sending out invitations, inviting clients for a visit. At the same time, have a meeting room booked via our meeting rooms booking systems. When the client shows up at our lobby, they can sign into our visitor management system, where the center control will digitally notify me that my guests have arrived. All while the welcoming signage instructs the visitors to be led into my pre-scheduled meeting room. Together with our access control, the room can only be accessed to the ones that are granted, and the turn on lights as well as the AC. A chain of automatic execution by the center systems will carry out letting colleagues know where I am, which means I'm in, and which meeting rooms are occupied or vacant. And the icing on the cake is that we have a dedicated room booking panel on the wall of the entrance showing the status of the room. And with a touch panel, users can manage the room on premise just as easily as on a smartphone. Then there is a desk booking device which allows employees to book desks remotely, which are called desk hoteling. This also is the management of flexible workspace and cuts down huge amount of manpower required to manage it. Not to say, a digitally controlled corporate building leaves little room for human error and prevents waste of resources. You could imagine, pre-Qubit smart building, people had to physically be at the site to make this arrangement to a space. This solution provides corporates of different scale in making sure that their facilities and employees are working cohesively to maximize their investment and output. With such implementation, reliability, security, and scalability is crucial for its success. The nature of ARM platforms are much more predictable. Simple infrastructure ensure its reliability, the minimum component ensure its stability and longevity, and the least maintenance required, if any. the extreme low consumption of energy, which is much more eco-friendly. Therefore, there could be no other platform more suitable than ARM. We have been very successful with customers like Sony, Starbucks, Chanel, and other Fortune 500 companies who are happy with our technology. And with our partnership with a global leader, AUO, combined with their cutting-edge screen technology, we are determined to provide customers with excellent innovation and product development for bespoke requirements with more vivid visuals. Our tight relations also means that our shared resources are more abundant in benefiting our customer with additional value and competitiveness